In this video, you're going to see how I achieved this unicorn look. So stay tuned and enjoy.
So first I'm going to go in with this reviving facial spray. My face is already clean. Now we're just going to revive the skin.
I'm going to go in with my age fighting moisturizer and my baby oil gel.
I'm going to put some powder on my brows and then I'm going to start on the eye makeup.
Now I'm going to go up under them with this Perfecting Concealer from Mary Kay.
And today we're doing a exciting look. So I'm going to make sure that I have all of this nice and blended out. So now that I have that blended out, I am going to set it with this kind of like an off-white eyeshadow.
I'm just going to put this all over the lid.
Okay, so for this unicorn makeup look, I'm going to be using this palette, and like I have said, I finally found my yellow, so I'm going to be using all of these colors on my lid in a cut crease. So I am thinking about using Be Mine, Oceans Deep, and maybe some Pretty Clover. I'm not really sure. And I might use the Confetti. So I have a lot of options. So we're just gonna see what happens. I'm going to be using this glitter primer that I got when I was in Maryland. So I'm excited to try this out. So let's get into it. First, I am going to, as you have seen over and over again in a million videos, I'm going to put the light shade on my brow bone and go in with like a brown to kind of give me a nice background for my cut crease. And into the background, I might add a little color or something just to kind of make that unicorn-ness, you know, pop. Okay, so I'm going under my brow with this shade, and I'm going to add a little of this up under there as well. So I'm basically doing, you know, what I normally do, but we're just gonna step it up and make it a little bit more unicorny. Okay, so I have that done. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this shade, and it's a really dark brown, and I'm going to get a smaller brush to do this because I really want to keep it in that crease area, and I want that to kind of be the background of my cut crease.
Now I'm going to go back in with the fluffier brush and in the color that I put in my crease and just kind of blend that out. To cut my crease, I'm going to use the NYX white eyeshadow base. I'm going to add my colors like how I did over here. So I'm going to go in order, and I have a color for a brush for each color. And wow, I just opened my eye like that and messed that all the way up. So now I have to redefine the crease. And then I'm going to make sure that the product that I put on my lid, that is smooth. So I'm just going to wipe it, make sure that it's a smooth, nice coat. And I'm going to go in with my colors. So first I'm going to go in with the yellow. And I like to go like back and forth in the colors. So I'm going to go from yellow to pink, then back to the yellow like that. So you all will see what I'm talking about. And that's how I like to keep everything blended, by going back and forth. So first I'm just going to go in and place my colors. Now that I know where my colors are going, now I'm going to go in and pat everything in precisely. Okay, so this is the cut crease on both sides so far. So now I'm going to add some glitter along that cut crease line. So I'm going to use a eyeliner brush. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to get some of that glitter primer. going to put like a dab of it on my tray here. And I'm going to put a line of the primer there, and then I'm going to put some of the Ocean's glitter on top of that, okay? And I'm going to find a small brush to do this with. So I'm going to use this brush to place my glitter. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to do the other one.
Okay, so I have the eyeshadow and my eyeliner on both eyes. Now I am going to put on some mascara.
For the lashes, I am going to apply Ambitious lashes. So I'm going to apply these, and if they are longer than my natural eye, I'm not going to cut the end. I'm just going to apply that along that eyeliner. Okay, so I did the foundation, highlighting, contouring, all of that. So if you want to see how I did this, make sure you check that video out. Now we're going to finish our unicorn look. So I added some eyeshadow here. I used the same eyeshadow that I used, and I used that to do some strobing to get that unicorn look that I'm going for. I kind of feel like I want to add some more, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. First, I'm going to moisturize my lips. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. lip balm. And this has like a nude color. So that's why I'm using that.
Okay, so that's pretty good. Now I'm going to, I think I'm going to do the yellow in the inner corners. So I'm going back to those brushes that I already had.
Okay, so these are the lips. Now I'm going to add some glitter. Alright, so the lips are extremely unicorn, so they are done. One more thing, I know. I'm going to add some bottom lashes. So those are the bottom lashes. So this is the finished look. This is my unicorn makeup tutorial, my glittery unicorn look, whatever you want to call it. If you are feeling unicorn vibes this month in October, make sure that you tag me in your looks that you recreate. My Instagram name is going to be on the screen. You can add me on Facebook. I have a makeup group that I would love for you all to join. So make sure that you join, and you can post your pictures in there as well. So I really hope you all enjoyed this fun unicorn look. I really enjoyed it. It was extremely fun. So let me know how you feel about the, lips, and if you want to see more of that from me. So yeah, leave some comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.